Question 13. Find all angles between 0 and 2 pi, inclusive, underline the keyword inclusive, which satisfy the equation 4 cosine 2z equals to -1. Circle 2z. So we want to find all the angles. So given that z is between 0 and 2 pi, inclusive means with the equal sign. So therefore you can see that there's an equal sign here and an equal sign here. So we need to find 2z. So multiplying by 2, I'll get 4 pi. Okay, change 4 pi to decimal place. Okay, by keying the calculator, you get 12.566. It's easier to check whether your 2z values lie in this range when it's represented in the decimal place. So next step, solve the equation for cosine 2z equals to -1, making cosine 2z the subject. You get -1/4. So find reference angle, which will be cosine inverse of 1/4, the positive value. You'll get 1.3181, leaving your answer to 5SS for radian mode. Now we will need to find the possible quadrants it lies in. So looking at cosine 2z equals to -1/4, ASTC, cosine will lie in the second as well as in the third quadrant. So 2z lying in the second quadrant will give you 1.8235, lying in the second quadrant. Okay, so lying in the third quadrant, you will get 4.4597. So we want to check whether all possible values of 2z have been found. So we realize that it's between 0 to 12.566. So second quadrant, we want to add another cycle plus 2 pi to check whether it lies in the range. So if you key into a calculator, you will get 8.1067. Similarly, for the third quadrant, let's add another 2 pi. You will get 10.743, and it lies in the range given above. So both of them are also solutions of 2z. Okay, let's check whether we can subtract 2 pi. Okay, so minusing 2 pi, okay, will it be possible? So if you minus 2 pi, it will be a negative value. So therefore, minus 2 pi is out of the range. Okay, similarly for third quadrant, if you minus 2 pi, it will also be out of the range if you check your key in the values using a calculator. So I'll not write this down. Okay, so we subtract a cycle and then we add a cycle to check whether all the possible values of 2z have been found. Okay, so can we add another 2 pi to this value? Okay, if you add another 2 pi, it will have exceeded the above range. Okay, similarly, if I add another 2 pi, it will also have exceeded the above range. So therefore, there are a total of 4 solutions for your 2z, which lies in the above range. So we can proceed to find the value of z by dividing by 2. Leave your answer to 3SF. Okay, arranging your answers in ascending order.